If you've ever wondered how someone comes up in the search results so much, or say you're on YouTube and you're doing some searching and you just keep seeing this same channel pop up over and over and over and over. Okay, rather than use someone else's channel, I'm going to use my own. That way no one can say anything to me for doing it. I'm going to go in here and choose a video of my own. So it doesn't matter which one, and we're not even going to play it. That's not what we're here to do. We keep seeing this particular channel, and these videos from this channel keep appearing in almost every search that we perform. So you wonder, what keywords are they using? You know, I wish I knew. That way I could make my videos like that, you know. Well, it doesn't work exactly that way, but if you are curious as to the keywords that's being used, all you have to do is go over here, and I'm using Chrome. I'm sure it's the same, works the same way in Safari, but if not, you can use Chrome. Go to View, go to Developer, and go to View Source. And when you do that, you're going to get a bunch of code, and you're going to be like, oh my gosh, what's this? Okay. Well, if you scroll down here, and you're going to come to the metadata, it's called. The metadata is any of the SEO content that's been input by the user to help rank their video. And right here's meta property video tag. And as you can see right here, all of this highlighted area, those are the keywords that I put in there for that video. That was the tags that I used for this particular video. So if you're ever curious as to how you can find out their keywords for a certain channel, that's exactly how you can do it. Then if you wanted to use some of these, you know, you could just highlight them out and copy and paste them right on down the line. And same thing goes for their description, which that's all in there anyway. But, you know, back a few updates ago, YouTube stopped showing the tags because everyone was trying to use everybody else's tags all the time. So now most people don't know how to look to see what tags are being used, but there is a way to do that, and you see that exactly right here. So I hope that little trick can sort of help. So keep that one under your hat, guys.